Pizza, pasta, put it in a box. Bring it here and put it on my cup. The fettuccine on my weenie, pepperoni on the walls. Cheesy on my pini and some salsa on my balls. How's everyone doing? So I'm very happy about the release of Pizza Tower, an indie game that I've been following pretty closely over the years. So it finally released some time ago. And I figure today that it's Super Bowl Sunday, well, let's try cooking pasta. There's something that breaks my freaking heart. I'm just heartbroken about is that I love pasta. I love it so much. But I don't really get it right. Today, that changes though. I got some fresh tomato like my router. So, I got some fresh tomato in there. I got some garlic. I got pasta. I got myself the good stuff. So, let's get started. I'm gonna cook pasta and chicken parmesan. Okay, so these are the ingredients. So I have some cheese. I'm gonna use some pepper jack, or Colby jack, sorry, out of this. That's spaghetti, the good stuff. Worcestershire sauce, basil. So I kind of hate the pre-chopped stuff, but they literally had no other kind of basil. If you can get fresh basil, it's a lot better. Like it retains its flavor a lot better. Parsley, red pepper, Italian seasoning, tomatoes, tomato paste to reinforce, onions, salt and pepper, garlic, chicken for the chicken parmesan. I got some parmesan in storage. I will bring it out in a bit. And I got some garlic bread, which is also going in. So this is gonna be fantastic. Let's get started. I almost forgot. Some people like to do, some bolognese to also get some ground beef in there. I'm trying to stay lean, so I'm just gonna use beef stock. I have a lot of beef stock from something that I cooked earlier in the week, so I'm going to mix this in. It's gonna give it a little bit of an extra kick, right? So let's go for it. All right, garlic, tomato paste, all of the spices, Italian seasoning, parsley and pepper going in there. A tablespoon of Worcestershire, and salt and pepper to taste. So all of that is going into the food processor. We're gonna puree it. Then we're gonna cook it. All right. Goes into the food processor, and we go. All right. So this is how we do the chicken. So for chicken parmesan, a lot of people would rather have chicken breasts. I find thighs to be more savory. They're not as lean, so it's kind of like less lean meat. But I think they're more savory, so I recommend it. So I'm gonna bread them. Forgot to mention this, but you just take some egg, just whisk it, and then we cover them with breadcrumbs. So I have these, or panko works. Or if you have flour, you can also use flour. But whichever way you go. So just take the chicken, season it thoroughly, salt and pepper, right? Then after that, coat it with a layer of egg, and just get it into the get it into the bread. Let it sit for a few minutes, for like 5 minutes, so stuff gets absorbed. And then you can either cook it on a pan, or you can get it on the oven. Either way, it's gonna come out pretty great. So let's go for it. Alrighty. So finally, just line up a baking sheet with foil, for practicity's sake. Get the chicken in there. So I got the oven at 375. We're gonna bake it for around 20 minutes. This is the garlic bread I showed before. So I like to get some onions, some basil, and cheese in there. So that's also gonna bake alongside it. Gonna come out pretty great. Let's cook the noodles now, right? Noodles going in. Rule number 1, it has to be boiling. Water has to be boiling. Rule number 2, salt your water. Salt it to taste. Pizza, pasta, put it in a box. Did you know actually that ramen is sort of a derivation of pasta? So it's an Italian import into China. It's pretty cool, right? All right, so finally, this is the completed product. The chicken is cooked. I seasoned that with some Parmesan. The garlic bread is ready. And that's my perfectly cooked pasta with the marinara on top. Set up with some red wine. So it's time for the taste test. Alrighty. So let's begin, right? That's good. You know why I did this? I did this because I'm sick of the prepackaged marinara. I hate prepackaged marinara. Like it literally tastes sugary, and I hate it. Like they add sugar to everything over here. I hate it. Chicken, going in. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely stuff. Tastes like KFC. KFC kind of sucks in America though. It rules elsewhere, anywhere in the globe, but it kind of sucks here. Do you listen to the crunch? Pretty nice, I would say so myself. My addition will be, I will get red onions for the freaking, how do you call it? I'll get red onions for the garlic bread, for presentation. I'm happy. Praise the Lord. Praise the Son. Cheers. It's actually not too bad. A friend will ask me once, why do you say not too bad? Like so it's actually bad. Well, it's a figure of speech. It's an idiom. But I get it. I get the joke. It actually came out a little bit spicy, but I love it. Spicy marinara. Amazing. So it's kind of like my meal prep for the whole week. I may have cooked too much of the spaghetti though. Not too shabby. Thanks for joining me in this. I'll see you soon. Take care.